In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use your Outlook account on Gmail so you can manage both email accounts from one inbox. First, sign in to your Gmail account in your web browser. Click the settings icon, then select See All Settings. Open the Accounts and Import tab. Under Check Mail from Other Accounts, click Add a Mail Account. Enter your Outlook email address and click Next. Choose the option to import mail using POP3 if prompted, then sign in to your Outlook account and grant the required permissions. If you also want to send emails from your Outlook address through Gmail, go to the Send Mail As section, click Add another email address and follow the setup instructions. Once the setup is complete, Gmail will begin checking your Outlook account for new emails and you'll be able to read and manage both accounts from your Gmail inbox. That's how to use your Outlook account on Gmail. Thanks for watching.